Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video and I'm extra excited for this because this box is actually bigger than the normal box. When the package came in today, I was a bit surprised because it felt a lot heavier, it was in a bigger envelope, and now I've taken it out and it is literally, I think this is what a typical box is, so it's actually quite a bit bigger and it's got a bit of weight to it too, so I'm really excited to see what is inside. Okay. Okay, nothing else in the box. And we have the card. Okay, this is November 2019. For some reason, I felt like if it's going to be celebratory, is that a word? If it's going to celebrate something, it would be December related, but this is really cool. This is it's like a journal. Like with a zip in it. I'll go through this at the end, but I think that's a special item and it looks amazing. So these are some stickers. There's like 2 sets of stickers this time, which is extra special, isn't it? Although I wonder if this is just more a set of different themes. It looks like this has a bunch of different themes in there. Yeah, it's like a bunch of full boxes. Now, someone mentioned in the comments for one of my previous videos that these actually do fit the Erin Condren planner now. I haven't actually tested it, but I do want to do a plan with me video featuring a Simply Gilded kit. So I will have to test it at some point and I'll let you guys know. This one is probably the monthly theme stickers, if that makes sense. Okay, so then, yeah, this like pertains to the actual theme for this month or November's. Some of the stickers are definitely different. I feel like she's changed it up just a little bit, but I love how holographic and rainbowy it is. So let's check out what's in this pouch. It looks like a planner, but it could be a wallet as well. So this is button enclosure. You open it up. Oh, all right. It's almost like a photo album. Okay, she says it's like a shaker sticker album, so you could put stickers in here. The one thing I don't love about plastic for stickers is that you always have to take the sticker sheets out to use them. To be honest, I actually would prefer to use this as a photo album so I can just look at photos or decorative art pieces or something like that. I love the concept though, it is so amazing. Okay, so there's a lot of goodies all over the place. We've got a notebook here, got some journaling cards here. Let me open it up to show you guys. Everything feels so special. Okay, so there's like a clear journaling card and then a more opaque one with all these beautiful stars and glitters on them. And then another journaling card. And then if we flip over to the front where there's like a zipper here, then you can see the washi plus a few extras. So this is pins. Yeah, this is like a pin. This is really cool. Let me show you guys. So it's actually one pin, but there's 2 backings to it. It's basically one pin, but with 2 backings because you have this like loose item. So you can, I guess you can place it however you want onto whatever you're putting it on. I've not seen anything like this before. This is actually really cool. I love so many of these like unique little knickknacks that you get from Simply Gilded. That is very cool. And then we have, okay, now I can see the shaker pouch. You can kind of see the glitter moving or the sequences. So I'm taking the washi tape out. I just want to take everything out. There we go. So can you guys kind of see? Yeah, it's like a shaker thing. Alright, so we have the typical Simply Gilded pen, which I feel like I've tested so many times I probably don't need to go through it again. Oh, these are like washi cards, so you can tape your washi tape around them. And then a little notebook. Oh, it's so beautiful. Everything's so cohesive and everything comes together so nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and open the washi tape and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and you can see there are 5 washi tapes. These 2 came together, so I thought it was 1 at first, but it's actually 2 really thin ones. I love this month's washi tape. It's so light, it's so pastel, so it like completely resonates with me. So you have your 2 bows, this gradient one with some glitter, and then 2 like long string bows, thin ones. It's so nice. I can't get over how beautiful this kit is, and I feel like a broken record when I say how amazing some of the Simply Gilded kits are, but to me, it's totally worth it. I love them. I love the washi tape, and I really, really get excited for the possibilities and the opportunities. As weird as that sounds, yeah, I look at this and I just think all the things I could do with it, and I feel like I feel like there was like for 6 months there in 2019 where I just really wasn't as inspired to plan anymore for some reason, and that's part of why you completely stopped seeing Erin Condren plan with me, is because I just wasn't inspired. But these last couple weeks, well, it's only been a week off so far, I've got 1 more week to go, I've been feeling much more inspired. I don't know whether filming the plan with me is what makes me less inspired, or the pressure of having to film, but when I'm by myself journaling in my own little corner of the world, I feel so inspired, and I feel so relaxed and happy to journal, to plan, to play with stationery. So that's kind of what I want to do for 2020, is to figure out how I can kind of bring that love into my channel again. So yeah, I'm just really, really excited for what 2020 could bring. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet. So just before I end the video, I actually went ahead and opened up the notebook because I wanted to see what was inside, and I didn't realize that it's actually rainbow pages on the inside. How cool is that? So it's dot grid and rainbow. Such a beautiful touch. So this is definitely my favorite kit from Simply Gilded. It's so good.